All right, welcome back. Welcome back. The hidden key to wholesale real estate success. All right. The theme today, maybe, I've got some tactics I want to share with you, but maybe I want to make sure I address some mindset stuff that nothing else will work if you don't get it right. See, everyone says they want to make $10,000 a month, but only the committed will ever do. Let's talk about what real commitment actually looks like in wholesale real estate. Now, here's the thing. One thing, success is key. I get it. It's easy anyway, right? But talking about success is easy too. Now, all the stuff is easy. Just talking is easy, but staying consistent when progress is slow, when leads dry up, when the numbers don't look good, that's where most people drop off. It's tough. It's tough, but it's worth it. Commitment isn't loud. It's not flashy. It doesn't post screenshots of checks or celebrate every little win. Commitment is quiet, consistent, and steady. It's what happens when the excitement fades, but the work continues, right? You said you do something, but you keep doing it even when the mood has long left you. Let's be honest. In wholesale real estate, you're going to have moments where everything feels like it's working against you. You'll pull a list, make hundreds of calls, and nobody answers. You'll finally get someone interested, and then they ghost you. It's real. You drive for dollars all weekend only to find out the property you wanted is already under contract with someone else. So those are the moments that separate the losers from the winners. Those are the moments that separate the motivated people from committed ones. Motivation is emotional. It's the spark that gets you started. It's what happens when you watch a hype video and hear a success story, but it's emotional, it's fleeting. You feel pumped. You're ready to take on the world, but motivation fades. It always does. I still go through the same struggles, okay? Commitment is different. Commitment is a decision. It's saying, I'm in this, I'm all in, no matter what. And that's what makes all the difference. That's what set the difference. That's what set the losers apart from the winners. See, commitment means you keep taking action even when it doesn't feel good. Like a system, but you're a human being. Even when it doesn't look like it's working, even when when everything seems to be falling apart, when you question if it will ever work for you, you don't wait for perfect conditions. Commitment means you understand you have to keep going because you have to create momentum through consistent execution. And I like to break it down into 5 stages just to make it more solid for you, because each one tests your commitment in a different way. 1, data, contact, leads, contract, and 5, deals. At each stage, you're going to hit resistance. When you're in the data stage, right, you're building your list, you're pulling the list, you're pulling records, cleaning spreadsheets, looking at the data, and it's boring. It feels like nothing is happening. But commitment means you stay disciplined regardless. You stay disciplined enough to prepare your foundation. Then comes 2, contact. You start calling, you start making contact, you start texting, knocking doors, reaching out, rejecting, setting up campaigns. People call you, hopefully, but outbound calls, people hang up. Some curse you out, some waste your time, and this is where most people will quit. But commitment says, nope, I'm going to hit my numbers no matter what. You get it? So next is 3, leads, right? You finally get some traction. People start showing interest, which is what makes it a lead. But now the follow-up game begins, and it's long, it's repetitive, and you're making the attempt, but you'll be tempted again to quit because leads actually take nurturing sometimes. Commitment means you stay patient and persistent. You follow up until they're ready. Then, because the timing is always right for you, right? But not necessarily for your leads. Then you reach the contract stage. This is where the pressure hits. Negotiation, paperwork, buyers, timelines. It's easy to second guess yourself. Commitment here means you stay calm, cool, calm, collected. You stay focused and you follow all the way through. And finally, where the money is made, deals, right? The payoff, the check, the validation. But you know what's funny? The moment you close a deal, you realize you're right back at stage one. Commitment isn't just about getting there, it's about staying there. You keep that cycle going, right? You keep it going, because sometimes you close one deal and it seems forever before you get the next deal, especially in the beginning when your pipeline is just building week after week, month after month. That's how real consistency compounds, staying the course in that period, because commitment doesn't skip stages. It doesn't chase shortcuts, right? It works the process all the way through, and then you rinse and you repeat. And in wholesale real estate, there are three main processes that takes you through that process that require this kind of long-term commitment. Number one, marketing. Two, acquisition and disposition. But let's break it down, because again, remember, at every phase and process, you get hit with the temptation to quit. Marketing is your oxygen. It's how you generate leads, direct mail, cold calling, texting, PPC, whatever you've chosen, whatever your channel that you've chosen, the results take time. You can't send a few mailers and expect deals to rain in. You have to build rhythm, test, tweak, and repeat. Commitment means you stick with it even when the first few campaigns flop. And then you have acquisition. This is a process that takes you through from leads to the contract, right? The heart of turning interest into contracts. This requires follow-up, rapport building, and negotiation. It's not a one-call close oftentimes, okay? It's persistent. Sometimes it's 6, 7 follow-ups before a seller finally says yes. Commitment means you stay engaged even when the seller says, not right now. The timing is not always right for them. The timing is always right for you, because you are a business system. And finally, you have the disposition, selling the deal, right? Finding the right buyer. This is where patience meets professionalism. You might think the deal is done once it's under contract, but it's not. You have to manage expectations, solve problems. You have to keep your buyers list warm. Commitment means you keep showing up for every part of that process until the check clears, literally, right? So that's what real commitment looks like, not a burst of effort and then you go somewhere and then rest, but more so a lifestyle of follow through. Okay, so it's something you have to get used to. You probably heard this quote before, but I'm going to repeat it because it's the truth of the wholesale real estate business. Like any other business, consistency beats intensity every single time. Anyone can go hard for a week, right? But can you stay steady for 6 months? Do you have the commitment? Can you keep making calls when no one answers? Can you keep your marketing campaign running when it seems like no leads is coming in? Can you keep following up when the deals are not closing as fast as you thought it would? That's where money is made, though. That's where the money is, not in the hype, but in the habit that you build. Because here's the secret: the people who win in this game aren't the smartest. I promise you, they're not the richest, okay, and even the most experienced. They're not. They're the ones who simply don't stop. They treat this business like a marathon, not a sprint. They understand that every no is getting them closer to a yes. They understand that progress often hides behind consistency. That's the secret in this segment. Consistency. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence. Okay. I remember one investor who told me, I called for 3 months and didn't get a single deal. I almost quit. I hear it all the time. Okay. By the 4th month, he actually closed 3 deals back to back. Yes, the same exact story I told you before. I hear it all the time. So you can't afford to quit in and out. If he had given up on that 3rd month, he would have missed the breakthrough. So let me ask you, are you treating your business like a temporary hustle? Actually, most people do that. That's why most people don't win, right? Or a long-term commitment. It's completely up to you, but I understand it's easier said than done. And if it's just a side hustle, the first tough week will knock you out. And if it's a commitment, you'll adjust, you will learn, and then you will push forward. And but with commitment, you will say you will figure it out. You'll be all the way in. It says, even if I don't feel motivated today, I'll still show up. That's the thought that needs to be going through your head. Okay. And I'm not waiting for success. I'm working for it. These are the thoughts that need to be going through your head, right? You're already getting success. And that kind of mindset will change everything for you. Once you make that shift, mindset wise, you stop chasing motivation, you stop waiting for the perfect timing, and you stop needing consistent reassurance. You know what the game is. You start moving steadily, strategically, and relentlessly. Every call, every text, every campaign, every initiative, every follow-up becomes a brick on that foundation of your wholesale real estate business. So that's how you build something real, something for real, for real. That's how you build it. You have to think in terms of consistent action, all out massive action, because commitment isn't just the hidden key. It's the one key, it's the only key that works long term. It's what transformed this business from a gamble into a business system. So if you're serious about making that $10,000 a month or more, stop saying you want it, okay? And just say, I'm in, I'm all in, I'm all in, I'm all in. Every decision, every action, every day. Prove your commitment through your consistency. That's the hidden key here, consistency, right? We might call it persistence, right? Whatever you want to call it, but it means you show up every day, even when you don't feel right. So remember, the deals don't go to the most excited. They go to the most consistent. That's what I want you to take away from this. And when you stay consistent long enough, something magical happens. Everybody will say it's overnight success, but obviously you know better, right? Results compound, right? Your skills sharpen, your confidence builds, and before you know it, what once felt impossible start to feel normal. You understand it, especially once you get results, it becomes second nature, and that's the power of commitment in action. But initially, especially before your first deal or your first few deals, it will feel like a struggle, right? So the next time you feel discouraged or stuck, remind yourself this is part of the process. You're not failing, you're building. The key isn't to go harder, it's to go longer. Get it? It's to go longer. Commitment is the fuel, but consistency is the engine. So let's talk about how consistent action actually compounds your results over time. Okay. And I will be right back. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. This is Ola at My Empire Pro, your favorite real estate coach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your empire starts today. I've written 3 game-changing books. Download them free at myempirepro.com/books. I'm also looking for partners, money, time, or anywhere in between. If that's you, visit myempirepro.com/partners. And if you want to try the all-in-one PropStream software for free, go to myempirepro.com/PropStream. Stay tuned. Let's build your $10,000 per month real estate empire.